Have you ever wondered why is YouTube so hard compared to other social media channels? Well, nobody knows, but in this video, we're going to find out why YouTube is so hard compared to other social media channels. Few days ago, I rolled out a question with ChatGPT. Which of these social media handles are difficult to develop in order of priority, and ChatGPT rank them and rank YouTube 5 star, the first of them that is very difficult to develop, starting from zero views and zero subscribers. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the reason why YouTube is hard and the reason why it worth the labor. Follow me. In YouTube, we have two things you have to uh, work on if you want to be eligible to creators partnership program to get your channel monetized. And number one is the 1000 subscribers mountain. That's very difficult for every newbie in YouTube to climb, and also the 4000 watch hours that look like a Red Bull challenge. And I'm going to talk on these two things very carefully. The first of them is the 1000 subscribers mountain. In YouTube, there are a lot of human behavioral patterns, and we know that algorithm are just people who are behind every devices who click every videos here and there, here and there, here and there, here and there. And the reason why YouTube is very hard is because the 1000 subscribers mountain is not very easy to get on YouTube. On every other platform like Facebook, like Instagram, like TikTok, even X, that we formerly know as Twitter, it's very easy to have followers, especially Facebook, to have followers because they deal with community and they have how to roll out followers for themselves. Even on TikTok as well. But on YouTube, it's very hard to have one subscriber. Very hard because before people will see your video what of value, people will see you what subscribing to. Subscriber button look like a hard button to press when it comes to YouTube compared to other social media. You see, I don't know why it look like there are some people that no matter how much they watch your video, to click that subscriber button is very hard for them. I don't know why it's so hard, but I just found it so hard. But why? 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 Before you roll out 2, 3 videos on Facebook, you might have 10 followers. But on YouTube, you will have roll out 10, 15 videos and just have 2 subscribers. Sometimes after some days, they see unsubscribe. I remember when I just started YouTube, I have many subscribers with reason I can't explain. They begin to unsubscribe by themselves. I don't even know why, but it's just what it is. That's how YouTube is. I don't know the behavioral pattern behind YouTube algorithm. People just unsubscribe just like that, and because people subscribe, unsubscribe, subscribe, unsubscribe, to reach 1000 subscribers become a huge mountain. Despite you are rolling out valuable videos, you are doing your best, you edit them, you do everything, you try your best, you spend a lot of money on expensive gear to shoot your videos, still yet people not to subscribe. I don't know why people are so stingy with subscription button. I don't know why. Maybe if you know why, you can put it in the comment section so that we can figure out this thing. But for me, I can't figure out because I've worked on Facebook, I've worked on Instagram a little, I've got few accounts on Facebook and Twitter, and there it's very easy to have followers there, especially when you are aggressive with posting. But on YouTube, no matter how much you are aggressive, people don't seem to subscribe. In fact, some people even seems to interested in your whatever it is you are doing, and this is what makes YouTube so hard. You see, when compared to Facebook, you need 10,000 followers to get monetized and some few watch time hours as it were. But let me tell you, if you compare somebody who starts YouTube 0 followers, zero views, with somebody who starts Facebook 0 followers, 0 views, the person will first will reach 10,000 followers on Facebook faster and reach the watch time hours faster than person that want to get just 1000 subscribers. You see that 1000 subscribers on YouTube is a hard mountain to climb more than the 10,000 followers you're going to have on Facebook. So before you even have like 500 subscribers, the person on Facebook will have 5,000 subscribers, like followers. Yes, if you want to prove me wrong, go and check it. I've worked on this platform very well. I know how easy they are and how hard they are. You see that now? So 1,000 subscribers is like a Mount Everest mountain that is very hard to climb. But unfortunately, it was the hype, because compared to other social media channels, YouTube pay the highest. They pay the highest, so that's why it look as though it's difficult. And one thing I see in this is that there are many people, creators, who are flocking into YouTube, and they see it as a good mine to earn money, which is good. And there is this hatred or envy or jealousy. I don't know how to put it, but it's a hard truth, and how to speak it out. That people, when people saw you growing, see you doing one or two things, they don't seem to interested in you. They see that you are trying to dish out videos, you are trying your best. Instead of them to support you as a community, to share your post, to subscribe, to comment, to watch your video, they won't. Especially your friends who are close to you, they seem not interested in your videos. They won't. They won't. They're just looking at you, and then because they themselves, and people have this mentality that since me, I don't have subscriber, me too, I won't support you to have subscriber. So let everybody be on their low level. And that's a bad behavior that I've seen on YouTube. Yes, I've seen many times on YouTube. People are not growing, and they want you to grow. Many times I support people, I watch their videos, I subscribe, I I comment on their videos for the attention and algorithm to pick them and all of that, for people to recommend their videos. But people don't feel the same to return back the energy. You just feel like, okay, you are a small channel too, me too, I'm a small channel, you have not monetized, I'm not monetized as well. So let's keep ourselves at this low mountain. Whereas we can support ourselves to reach the high mountain. We can watch the video of ourselves, we can subscribe to ourselves, we can share what we have, we can help ourselves to grow as more creators. And these are very easy to do on Facebook and TikTok. But on YouTube, look as though people here are just abnormal human beings. It's hard, but that's the truth. And the second thing is the 4,000 watch hours that looks like a Red Bull challenge. It's like a suicide mission. It's one thing to have 1,000 subscribers. It's another thing to have 4,000 watch hours. And 4,000 watch hours is massive. Very, very massive. Especially when you are a small channel. Oh my God. You are going to climb a very hard mountain. That's a Red Bull challenge. It's like a suicide mission. Because you are going to have 1, 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, then 100 of hours, then 200, then 500, then 1,000, then 1,500, then 2,000, till 4,000. That's massive, and that is very hard compared to other similar channel who you can just be aggressive enough and you're going to have your watch time hours. It's not the same on YouTube. Somebody who need 10,000 watch hours on Facebook will get easier than 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. It's incomparable. It's just different. I don't know why it's hard, but I just find it so hard. I don't know why it's too much. Just get in and then we roll in like that. So you find out that people don't really interested in your video, despite of even interested in giving you the 4,000 watch out that your channel need. Maybe people don't like you. Maybe that's why YouTube is hard. Maybe that's why I will have this conclusion. Maybe people don't like you. Maybe you are not trying your best enough. Maybe you are trying to force your friend to watch your videos and they're not interested in what you are doing. Maybe everything is just not meant to be. Maybe. But I kid you not, YouTube is very hard compared to other social media channel, especially when you are just a small channel that nobody know you, nobody knows where you are coming from, nobody know what you value, the value you want to give to them, nobody knows the kind of videos you want to do. It takes art. It's very hard to break the ground on YouTube compared to other social media channels. And please, whatever you feel free to comment, share, and talk to us what your thoughts, what you feel, why YouTube very hard than other social media channel. I'll be expecting your comments. I'll be expecting what you feel. I'll be expecting how you feel it. I'll be expecting your comment. Do well to like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.